Hey, I'm just about to open my new purchase all the way from Jomashop in America, United States, whatever we call it these days. So this is from Jomashop. It's taken a couple of weeks to get over here to New Zealand, and well, I'm very, very interested to see what we've got, and I hope it's something nice. I think I know what it might be. I think I'm kind of on the right track with all of this. Get that out of there. Oh, that's ripped through there. Been looking like it might have been opened before. This one. Now that is rather faded looking. That's a bloody faded looking sticker on that one. God, man. There it is. Horus Big Crown automatic watch. Yeah, Horus. What's this down here? Book maybe. Horus book. Oh yes, product manual. Yep. Opened at some point. And there she is. Oh, the warranty stuck on the top. There it is. Warranty card. Horus. And there we are. There she is. Horus Pro Pilot Big Crown with a slight light blue face on a leather strap. There we have it. Nice clasp there. So we're getting into it now. It's taking a look at that blue face, that blue dial. Jesus, that's nice, isn't it? Okay. Looks pretty good. Take that sticker off the underside.